Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorma DK3287 01B. This is a push arm kit in bronze. This is going to be what's called the forearm. At least that's what I would call it. And we've got the main arm here. We like to think of it as the main arm and then the forearm. And then your screw package, we just call that screw package. Obviously bolts to get it put down to the spindle of the closer of the automatic door operator. And then of course down to the door, and then the two pieces to each other. Yeah, sure. Okay, so let's take some properties here. First of all, this is for the ED400, ED700 series manual units. This is going to be available in the 01B, which is bronze. The 01A, if you just change that in the part number, you'll have the same arm in aluminum. You've got your splines down here. A little dollop of grease there for connecting the two pieces together. I'm going to resist the temptation of simply pushing that together because I don't want to wipe grease off of that end before the client gets it. This will account for your different frame reveals, the threaded portion that's there. Let's take some basic dimensional properties of this item. Overall length of the arm, overall length, about 13 inch. Center to center is about 11 7/8. 11 7/8 center to center. And this arm is heavy, weighs 3.6 pounds for sure. About 1 1/4 inches. Thickness of the arm is 5/16, I'd say. Every bit 1/4 inch. This is going to certainly be made of steel. Forearm, when it comes to you at its minimum dimension from the door shoe, just laying that flat, all the way to the end, opposite, looks like we're about 16 5/8. Okay. Door shoe dimensions, overall width, about 2 9/16, but center to center of the holes, I'll just do this so I can view it, 2 inch. 2 inch center to center. Helpful to know. Overall height of the shoe, 1 inch. Okay. Now, finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Dorma products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. They have a variety of automatic door closing items. In both high energy and low energy equipped. An arm is not an unusual item whatsoever to replace because really the arm is what takes all of the energy of the operator working, and obviously when it's used manually as well. And it's not unheard of for these to be bent or damaged, vandalized. Normal use, an arm is not going to be the portion that's going to fatigue through normal usage. But given enough usage where people might be treating the material a little bit too heavily, an arm can get damaged. There's no doubt. People like to do chin-ups on them. I've even seen that. A link below this video to the manufacturer's page will allow you to review the rest of the Dorma items that we sell. If you have any questions on the Dorma DK3287 01B push arm in a bronze or any other Dorma product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.